Your child no doubt has a lot of fraction homework that you would like to help them with, but you might be unsure of the different terminology and the different skills that they're learning in class. So today we'll take a look at improper fractions and mixed numerals, what they are, and how to convert between the two and the different skills that you can show your child. So let's begin with the first example where we'll be looking at mixed numerals into improper fractions. So a mixed numeral is one where you have a whole number as well as a fraction as part of the number. And to change it into an improper fraction, which means that the numerator will be larger than the denominator, we follow these steps. We take the denominator and multiply that by the whole number or the integer, and then we add to that answer the numerator. So let's look at the first one. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 3 is 7. So we have 7 over 4. The denominator stays the same as what it is in the original question. You might like to pause the video here and then come back and watch to see how you went with the next two, or you might just continue watching. Okay, so for the next one, we have 7 times 3 is 21, and then 21 plus 4 is 25. So we have 25 over 7. And the last one, we have 5 times 12 is 60, and then 60 plus 2 is 62. So we have 62 over 5. Okay, let's have a look at them the other way around, moving from an improper fraction to a mixed numeral. So the first thing we need to do is have the numerator divided by the denominator. So how many times does 9 go into 4? So of course here, once again, your children do need a little bit of help with their times tables, and if they do, a good idea is to get them an exercise book with the timetable charts on the back, so that they can work on these new skills they're learning in class while also improving their multiplication tables. So 9 divided by 4, so we know 4 goes into 9 twice. 2 4s are 8, and we want 9. We have a 9 in the numerator. So how do we get from 8 to 9? We add an extra 1, so that's the remainder. 1 remainder, and the denominator stays the same as in the original question. Once again, you might like to pause the video here and try the next two yourself, or you can continue watching. So next we have 24 divided by 5. We know that 5 goes into 24 4 times, and 4 5s are 20, and we need to get to 24. So the remainder is 4, an extra 4 over the denominator of 5. And lastly, we have 6 into 45. Well, we know that 7 6s are 42, so it goes in 7 times. And we want to go from 42 to 45, so we need to add an extra 3. So our remainder is 3 over 6. Now in this last example, we can simplify the 3 over 6 further. The largest number that goes into both the numerator and the denominator is 3. So if we do that, we keep our 7, and 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 6 divided by 3 is 2. And that's our final answer. We'll be working on simplifying fractions in another video very soon. If there's anything that your child is bringing home that you would like help with and you'd like us to create a video similar to this, then please let us know in the comments or via email. Thanks very much.